Cardano truly is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that essentially has a current worth of 37 cents and a market capitalization of $13084854176. Digital currencies sort of have commonly lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, which explicitly is genuinely critical. These days, it's a resource class that certainly is considerably directed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate, which generally is very critical. Some genuinely huge speculation banks even especially procure Cardano and other digital forms of money as a group to basically safeguard their resources under administration against the dashing expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors incredibly. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and kind of long-haul forecast of the advancements on the ADA market that depend on the readings of our novel crypto unpredictability file that in a real sense assists us with checking the market feeling and expect where in which the market plans to go. Or so they thought. At this point, the cost of Cardano is 37 cents, while the coin at present explicitly winds up at 7th spot in the in general really positioning. The said fundamentally positioning is assessed based on the resource's really present value that is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that truly is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most applicable information in regards to the presentation of advanced asset in their portfolios, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. It's likewise essential to consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading. On May 16th, the cost of Cardano was at 36 cents toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change basically added up to 2.39%. 7 days prior, on May 10th, ADA by and large was esteemed at 36 cents, which really intends that from that point forward, the value sort of has changed by 0%. A month prior, on April 17th, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at 45 cents. Hence, the coin certainly has made a 16.89% move to arrive at its current standings in a significant manner. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main genuinely factor that we generally consider while making the cost expectation. It means a lot to sort of watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to for the most part have an unmistakable perspective on where the market certainly is going, which is very huge. This truly specific sort of measurement is likewise used to check the predominance of Cardano corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, or so they sort of thought. To really decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ADA, we explicitly duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will truly be made sense of later, by the very present worth of the digital money under audit, or so they essentially thought. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano generally remains at $13084854176, which shapes the reason for present truly positioning was referenced before. Yesterday, on May 16th, ADA essentially had a market capitalization of $12811444897. Keep going week. On May 10th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to in every way that really matters was recorded at $12676885532 in a significant manner. A month prior, on April 17th, the market worth of Cardano was surveyed to be $15709770986. Absolute stock considers the quantity of coins that truly have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can be utilized either for fundamentally dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers in a for the most part large manner. This essentially metric likewise considers the coins that generally have been progressively gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which explicitly is applied to control the expansion rate, or so they for the most part thought. At this point, the especially all-out supply of Cardano truly is laid out at 35793946863 ADA in an unobtrusive manner. Ultimately, the circling supply fundamentally is utilized to compute the market capitalization and basically evaluate the coin's ongoing remaining in the positions in an unpretentious way. It means the truly generally measure of ADA that for the most part is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly especially put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. It's by and large trusted that digital currencies that sort of have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million in a real sense are the most reasonable for in every practical sense. Long-haul speculation since they are probably going to see the value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, Cardano fundamentally has a circling supply of 34852526366 coins. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the place of $223,831,249. Yesterday, on May 16th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame essentially remained at $176,424,161, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. 7 days prior, on May 10th, how much ADA that truly was traded between market members generally was assessed at $196,577,808. Presently comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the quintessence of the crypto instability record, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to predict the way that Cardano will follow over the sort of next 1 to 5 years. 114 basically is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists and programming engineers that surfaced with a novel equation for checking and picturing the normal market unpredictability, and enhanced it with the creative kind of profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to convey the best Cardano cost expectation in the business in a significant way. Tomorrow, on May 18th, Cardano will answer the exchanging action with a 3.09% move that will eventually take the cost to the 38 cents level, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. In 7 days, the cost of Cardano will truly stir things up around town mark as the consequence of a 20.32% move. In 30 days, ADA will approach the 40 cents level inside a 6.72% cost change. In a half year, Cardano will end up at 52 cents as the cost will move by 40.16%. In 1 year, the cost of the coin being referred to will move to 42 cents as an outcome of a 13.14% cost change, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, 114 especially has been improved to gauge the cost of ADA for a 5-year skyline, an accomplishment that especially other cost expectation administrations can't offer. The 114 predicts that in 2 years, Cardano will by and large lay out a traction at 52 cents after a 40.72% cost change, which generally is genuinely critical. In 3 years, ADA will by and large show up at the 58 cents cost level in a 54.79% move, which truly is genuinely critical. In 4 years, merchants will in a real sense see Cardano at 63 cents, which is a 70.27% cost shift, or so they thought. In 5 years, ADA will generally be exchanged at 70 cents after taking a 87.30% action from its ongoing situation in a very significant manner. And cryptographic money markets offer really numerous potential open doors for benefit making through exchanging or extremely long-haul speculation. However, it's memorable's important that they sort of are as yet going through the development stage, which generally implies that we could observe a truly outrageous unpredictability and unforeseen cost swings on some random day. Nonetheless, our Cardano cost expectation model